To attach the casters securely to the base of the studio base unit needs to be elevated approximately 4 inches. Begin by locating the included packaging supports. When positioning the supports, lift and tilt the base unit until you are able to position the supports underneath, with them extending forward approximately 5 inches. The support positioning is required when lifting the studio atop the casters correctly. To attach the casters, first place the small lock washer atop the thread caster stem, followed by the larger flat washer. Insert the thread stem into the caster socket and tighten by hand at first, then securely with a wrench. After attaching all casters, make sure each is unlocked with the locking stem in the upright position. When lifting the studio upright and atop the casters, first tilt the studio upright halfway with the weight remaining atop the supports and the casters still elevated off the floor. Now, without leaning the weight of the studio on the back casters, lift and set the studio down atop all casters simultaneously.